J4F bike mechanic session 101.
About to Davey Sprocket, because I'm about to fuck with some sprockets right now.
You gotta change it?
Davey Sprocket, the king of the wild messenger frontier.
There you go. Oh, you got it, yeah. Is that coming through? You gotta line it up right. Let me hold this part.
Sorry.
There you go, you got it. That's it.
Oh man, I gotta try to fix mine or yours. Why the fuck did somebody put that in a vice and bend that like that?
Oh, it's fucked up.
That's on the next one, but it doesn't matter because you could hey, you trying to get grease on your sweater?
That's right, go ahead. Sure. That's why I rock Black Murder, because they don't worry about cleaning it. Right. See what I'm saying? You know what
I'm saying? Tony working with gloves. You don't work with gloves. Work with fucking hands, you know what I mean? Ah! You got men's on, what you baking over here?
I'm making up some good shit.
This like, is the, hey, we should have a bakery. Like bikery.
The bikery.
The bakery.
Here my man Davey Sprockets making the chain function like a track. Popping a link.
Shortening a chain. So we can have it real nice and snug on our wrists. Try and get as close as you can, you know? See what's up, maybe it's just too short. A lot. You got less chain, less drag, you got more. Religion, right?
As Dave works on the Black Murder, we have just shortened the change. Just pop the link.
Hold it in place. And as you see, we're using this old janky like 1970s, you know.
The first part to
you know, this is like one of them little funky, I don't even know who makes this, man. It might have been, you know, something decent at its time, but it's definitely not better stuff. You saw me putting your little like toolkit, you know, your little
that's a little classic one.
Put your little Brooks.
You know what I'm saying? Tool set.
Doing that shit though, right? We're like messengers. Put that shit in a messenger bag.
Right.
Get the grease all over fucking these like lawyers' packages and shit. Like, here guy.
Documents.
Here's your package. Fucking grease all over that shit. Hands like this. I just give him a fucking security guard a fucking high five and shit.
He got ink on his face.
What up?
You know what I'm saying?
Fucking got a big grease mustache and shit.
You wiping sweat off, you got like the Mike Tyson tattoo on your face. Oil.
Yeah. I made a fucking bike for Mike Tyson.
Black Max, a brand new chain. Chain so short I can ride insane.
Bam, there it is.
Look how tight that is, dude.
Got in.
Look how tight that is. Wow.
It's tight. You got like that specific like track shit. It's like right up on there, you know? That's what you want, dude. Most all bikes, even road bikes, got the same geometry a little bit for track application. It's like,
The alchemist layers. What is this?
Wow, this shit is fire.
oh, chill.
No. Oh, look at this.
Look at this.